Welcome to this video on Android 17, where we explore the shift toward an intelligence-driven operating system. Android 17 marks a major evolution in mobile computing. Unlike legacy systems that rely on manual commands and isolated apps, this new intelligence system anticipates your needs, shares data fluidly, and executes complex background tasks. Meet Gemini Intelligence. This powerful system works for you, automatically completing multi-step tasks across different apps, turning simple inputs into actionable outputs seamlessly. Voice interaction is reimagined with Gboard Rambler. It instantly understands your intent, cleans up messy speech, and supports multiple languages automatically. With widgets on demand, you simply command the AI, and it builds custom widgets for you in an instant, making your interface truly personalized. Experience adaptive first productivity. Multitasking now evolves with you, using app bubbles and a dedicated bubble bar to keep your workflows fluid and efficient. Android 17 delivers a truly boundless ecosystem. Your tasks move seamlessly between devices, allowing you to start work on a phone and finish effortlessly on a tablet. Your digital well-being is a priority. The pause point feature helps protect your focus by curbing mindless scrolling and encouraging intentional breaks. Creators get a powerful toolkit with Android 17. Features like screen reactions allow you to capture content instantly, removing the need for heavy editing software. For gamers, foldables are transformed into true gaming consoles, where hardware and software unite for an optimized experience. Security is ironclad. Android 17 actively stops fraud by detecting and blocking fake bank calls before they even connect to your device. We've also introduced advanced theft protection. With biometric locks, stolen devices remain trackable, keeping your data and phone more secure than ever. Under the hood, efficiency is key. By enforcing strict memory limits, Android 17 ensures your phone runs faster and the battery lasts significantly longer. The rollout begins today, with major partners launching new devices featuring Android 17 throughout this summer. This is a significant commercial opportunity as Android 17 drives hardware upgrades. Stock the latest intelligence-ready devices today and lead the way.